2 months ago, I bought the Airtel ODU and I have upgraded to 100 Mbps. So the real question is, did it improve my life, or I am just funding Airtel's data department or investing in their new technology? Very short backstory. If you are new here, I am Ael Excellent, and I bought the Airtel ODU. The Airtel ODU is Airtel's outdoor router. You mount it outside. It has another compartment outside, which you mount outside. It connects with a PoE cable to the first port wireless LAN in this device. This is the indoor unit. It behaves like fiber without fiber. It has a 5000 mAh power pack that you can use. This powers it even when you don't have electricity, so it can stay on for like 6 hours. In my test, it can stay on for like 6 hours. I've used it for work, tests. I've done a lot of things on it, upload, streaming, and just a little bit of Nigerian stress, but not too much of stress because I have Starlink Mini and standard in the house, and I discovered that everybody connects to the standard. Let's say this is owing to the poor speed that we get on this, maybe in my area, because this is what we get here. You can see for yourself the tests that I did. You can see for yourself. So I used it to watch what's it called, Mr. Beast's video on my TV, and I realized that there was it couldn't do 1080p consistently. It got to a time the video went to 480p on YouTube because it was set on auto. So, and the stability is not really as the other network I have in the house. This is not to shame this network, but then I know it will be working fine in some other places, but here this is what I am getting. During the day it is terrible. At night it's a little bit consistent, and now that I have subscribed to the 100 Mbps, which is 45,000 naira, I feel it should be better, but I'm not getting any speed beyond 50 Mbps, 55 Mbps. I'm going to do the test again for you to see. So as you can see, that is it. But night speed is what I'm showing you now. It's better, but the day speed was terrible. Talking of downtime, that's rare, but I've not really seen any downtime on it as such. So this is not Starlink, but it is also not your regular MiFi or smart box. In fact, I discovered that it is better than the smart box. Quick one, I realized that the type they are giving to people outside of Lagos is different from what they give in Lagos. So I think they have different variation of it. Now, I just moved to the 100 Mbps plan. Now, let's see what the Airtel is saying and what is reality is showing us. Actually, they say it is 100 Mbps, but I'm getting just above 50 Mbps. And as a matter of fact, I'm running this with cable. So I can say in some places they deliver, in some other places they don't deliver. Airtel is actually not the best choice for me in this area. I would still even prefer MTN than Airtel, but the Airtel ODU is trying to show that, okay, it's still better than the smart box. So if you get to a strong Airtel area, then you should have a good speed coming from this guy, because advertised speed is not what you will always get. In real world, I am seeing around 50 something Mbps download and around 10 to 11, 12 Mbps upload. That's usable for editing, Zoom, Netflix, uploads, and all those things running together. But then for something fast, I feel that this is actually very low. Let's get who's the boss, Mr. Who's the boss video, and see if we can do a 4K. So let's see what's quality. The quality automatically gives us 1080p. So I think it does 4K. So let's do 4K. So let's see. Not skipping at night. So we have what's it called? Day experience and night experience. That's exactly what I'm seeing here. Day experience, night experience. All right, let me seek and see what we'll get. So it loaded almost immediately, and so okay, a little bit off. So but this is cool, this is cool, this is cool. There's something I used to download. So we want to download some files. Let's do 1 gig first. See, we should be able to see the speed. Here you see, it's doing 1 gig in like 10 minutes, 7 minutes. Let's see. In fact, it has not even started downloading. So 4 minutes. Going. Okay, it has started. That's like 1 minute already. Close to 2 minutes. Let's just say that's 3.5 minutes to do 1 gig. We'll try 10 gig. Okay, that took a little bit of time. No, I wanted to actually check. This time around, I'm going to time it. So let's do 10 gig. I don't know how long this is going to take us. Okay, that started. This would take like 30 minutes to finish. And mind you, this is night and I'm connected by cable. So we're wasting this up and see what we will get. We're wasting this up and see what we will get. That's not done 1 gig. Okay. It takes almost 4 minutes to do 1.4 gig. So you can imagine what the upload will look like. So after about 27 minutes, 10 gig. That's like 30 minutes for 10 gig. That's how many Mbps or megabyte per second that we're looking at. This time around, that's file transfer. 10.10, 8 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second left, 0 seconds, done. 28 minutes, 26 seconds, 77 milliseconds, right? That is how long it took to download 10 gig. Should we actually wait to download 10 gig in 28 minutes? That's what I get. So I just had to do this for you guys to see exactly what is obtainable with the Airtel ODU. Where Airtel ODU actually makes sense, it is better than the Airtel Smartbox. It is better. And Airtel ODU is good if you are in a strong Airtel coverage area, you work from home, you stream and upload often, or fiber is not available in your area. If you want something more stable than MiFi or Smartbox, I think you should go for it. And again, I think it is good because of the price. This is 25,000 naira. In fact, we can say that this is free. Yes, the free Airtel ODU. Free Airtel ODU, because first month subscription is free and is 25,000 naira. So I think this device in itself is free. Although they say there's a caveat on it that they can come and pick it up if you don't subscribe to it after some month. So that's why they had to know your location. So you should not buy this. It is not good for you if you expect guaranteed full speed 247 or your area already has MTN fiber or IPNX, Swift and all the rest. MTN fiber, I'm still hoping to test it probably this week, but then I believe that it's going to do well. But this is a pseudo fiber. Don't buy it if you hate dealing with Nigerian network mood swings. So sometimes you used to have mood swings, so sometimes it's working fine, sometimes it's not working fine. And so far so good. It cannot be my daily driver. So what I will just do is I will have to find someone to give this to use so that they can exhaust it. I can add it as an artifact here, or probably dash it out to someone. So in conclusion, in my own area, ODU, it's not it. It could be in your area, but this is what I get. There are two subscription types on the Airtel ODU. The 25K, which gives you 50 Mbps, and the 45K, which is 100 Mbps. So these two speed cap are supposed to give you different capability and ability, but then so far so good. I can say that there's no difference, especially in peak hours. So if you are using Airtel ODU, please tell me your speeds in the comments. Drop your city too. Let's expose which area Airtel is behaving well or not. Like, subscribe, and follow for real Nigerian internet tests, not brochure reviews. Thank you very much. I'll see you again in my next video. Peace out.